Look at Mama playing with her daughter Molly. Dugan's just watching from his favorite place to be in the blue saucer. And there's Trixie. Trixie's gonna have puppies after weeks, anytime after Thanksgiving. No, Susie, not you. Trixie's like, what? Puppies? I have puppies. They're right here. The last 2 puppies from the litter. They'll go home on the 17th and 18th. And you making your daughter flip. Make her roll over. Where'd you go, Doogie? Oh, Doogie's second favorite place, the slide. You like the slide? Yes, you do, and you like snuggles. Yes, you do. Grandma Sadie watching from a safe distance. Sadie is Trixie's mama. And Trixie's a mama. Anyhow, the mamas like to play with their puppies once they get past 8 weeks and stop trying to nurse off of them. These puppies are 9 weeks old. I think, right? You're 9 weeks, Doogie? Yeah. You just want to be petted. You don't want to play with Mama. Okay, we can do that. You want to see Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. Grandma's like, I'll stay out here because I know you'll try and nurse off of me. Even though I haven't had milk in years. Yeah. You haven't been a mama in, what, a couple years? Wait, you want to come up on my lap? Okay, come on. Here we go. You hit a big boy. Well, you can come in and play Sadie if you want. You just only play with your puppy Mocha. Yeah, you're a one puppy. It's my kids only. That's one way to go down the slide, Molly. Hi, Molly Molly. You got a freckle right in the middle of your face. Right in the middle there. What you doing, Doogie? Wanna go down now? Okay, bye. Hi. Hey, Molly Molly. Well, Grandma, you can come in and play. Get out there and woo-woo. Woo-woo. Come on, you can jump. Oh, yes, you can. Yes, you can. Trixie's my baby girl. She's the reason we ever got into breeding. I wanted a puppy from her daddy Dozer. Because my heart is going to break into pieces when he leaves us. He's 12 years old now and has heart disease. And I wanted a part of him to carry on, and this is her, my baby girl. You a silly baby girl. You being silly. I feel good. Doogie back in his favorite place. Doogie's parents are going to spoil him. They got him his very own saucer and pillows to lay in at his new home when he goes there. He's going to be very loved and spoiled. Yes, you do. You have your own saucer at your new home. You do. You can jump. Go for it. Come on. Come on, Sadie. You can do it. Come on. Trixie and Sunshine can do it. Yes, you can. Come on, Ellie. A little freckle right there. Right there, right in the middle. Okay. Doogie's ready to go to sleep. Night, Doogie.